Welcome to the Kenyan Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council. The Kenyan Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council (Kmpdc) is a statutory authority established under Cap 253 laws of Kenya with a mandate to regulate the training, practice, and licensing of medicine and dentistry and healthcare standards for health institutions in the country. These institutions include private and mission hospitals, medical, dental centers and clinics, nursing and maternity homes, and standalone funeral homes. We present to you our Customer Service Delivery Charter. This charter stipulates the services we render, your obligation as a client, the cost of the service if any, and the time frame in which we commit to offer the service. When you visit our office to make inquiries, you'll be attended to within 5 minutes. Written inquiries submitted to our offices will be responded to within 3 days. Resolutions to complaints will be initiated within 7 days after the client submits a duly filled complaints form. For permanent registration as a doctor or community oral health practitioner, the applicant is expected to submit a duly filled application form together with the relevant attachments and pay a registration fee of 8,000 Kenyan shillings. The application will be processed within 14 days. Applications for temporary registration for foreign trained medical or dental practitioners and reciprocal recognition under the East African Protocol will be charged 20,000 Kenyan shillings and 35,000 Kenyan shillings respectively. To apply for internship qualifying exams, pre-registration exams and peer reviews for foreign trained doctors, the applicant is expected to submit a duly filled application form and the necessary attachments. Within 14 days, the council will confirm the eligibility of the applicant to sit for the examinations and schedule an examinations date. For internship qualifying examinations, the applicant will pay a fee of 35,000 Kenyan shillings, 55,000 Kenyan shillings for pre-registration, and for peer review, the applicant will pay a fee of 100,000 Kenyan shillings. Applications for internship licenses are processed within 14 days. The applicant is expected to submit a duly filled application form together with relevant attachments as well as pay the requisite fee. Oral health officers who are diploma holders are charged 3,000 Kenyan shillings, while oral officers who are Bachelor of Science holders will pay a fee of 5,000 Kenyan shillings. Dental and medical applicants pay a fee of 5,000 Kenyan shillings. All license renewals are done online on Kmpdc's online service portal. For our general practitioners to be eligible for a license, they'll need to have attained a minimum of 50 CPD points, have a valid indemnity cover and pay a fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings. Registrars will need to submit a letter from the dean or a valid school ID and attain a minimum of 50 CPD points. They will also be needed to make a payment of 10,000 Kenyan shillings. These licenses can be processed within 30 minutes from the time of initiating the process. A senior registrar will require to submit to the council a certified copy of their academic certificate so as to be recognized as so. To renew their licenses, they'll need to have met the requirement of having enough CPD points and an indemnity cover and pay a renewal fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. To be recognized as a specialist or a subspecialist, one needs to submit duly filled application forms, have the relevant attachments, and make an application fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. This application will be processed within 14 days. To get your certificate of current professional status with the Kenyan Medical Practitioners and Dentists Council, you need to fill the application forms and make a payment of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. This application will be processed within 14 days. The council also processes referral forms for patients seeking medical treatment abroad. Duly filled application forms should be submitted to our offices for processing. This process is free of charge and processing is done within 30 minutes. Kmpdc also does certification of medical results done by registered medical and dental practitioners, as well as do official searches on registration and licensure status of doctors and health facilities upon request. You will be charged 3,000 Kenyan shillings for these services. A medical report certification will be done within 30 minutes and an official search will be processed within 1 day. Cases of malpractice lodged at the council will be determined within 9 months of lodging your complaint. To lodge an official complaint, one needs to fill application for lodging an official complaint forms, which are found on our official website. Inspections for upgrading of facilities are carried out by Kmpdc within 21 days of receiving your application. Inspections for accreditation of institutions as teaching hospitals, internship training centers, and collegiate training sites are also carried out within 21 days of submission of a request. To be accredited as a CPD provider, one needs to fill the application forms found on our official website and pay an application fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Renewal of your license as a CPD provider is charged at 40,000 Kenyan shillings. To register a health facility, one needs to submit a duly filled Kmpdc application form together with the required attachments. The applications will be processed within 14 days. Registration and license charges for health facilities vary depending on the level of the facility. This is dependent on the Kmpdc's categorization rules. The following are registration and license fees for the different levels of health facilities. A community health unit, which is a level 1 facility, will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings. A dental community clinic at level 2 will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and 15,000 Kenyan shillings as the license fee. An eye clinic at level 2 will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Home-based care services at level 2 will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings. Funeral homes standalone at level 2 will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A comprehensive health center at level 3A will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A general practice clinic at level 3B will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings. A general dental practice clinic at level 3B will pay a registration fee of 10,000 Kenyan shillings and 15,000 Kenyan shillings as the license fee. A general medical center at level 3C will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A primary care hospital at level 4A will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 80,000 Kenyan shillings. A specialist medical and dental clinic at level 4B will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A specialist home-based care services at level 4B will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A specialist eye clinic at level 4B will pay a registration fee of 15,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 20,000 Kenyan shillings. A comprehensive facility, which is a secondary referral hospital at level 5A, will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 200,000 Kenyan shillings. A hospital, which is a secondary referral hospital at level 5B, will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 90,000 Kenyan shillings. A super specialized medical or dental center at level 5C will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 90,000 Kenyan shillings. National Referral and Teaching Hospitals and Specialized Hospitals at level 6A will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 300,000 Kenyan shillings. Specialized Hospitals at level 6B will pay a registration fee of 30,000 Kenyan shillings and a license fee of 300,000 Kenyan shillings. Please note that all payments to the council should be made through these channels. M-Pesa paybill number 992836. The account number should either be your ID number, name of the applicant, or name of the facility. Bank deposits should be done to our KCB Bank Milimani branch. Account number 1103158643. Do you have any inquiries? Please reach us through our office telephone number 0727 666 444 or write us an email on info@kmpdc.go.ke. Kmpdc, ensuring quality healthcare.